Another key map that we also support is the industry standard key map. So if we press Alt F4, if we press F4 and we go to our preferences, we can go to our key map. You'll be needing to Alt F4 after this one. We can jump to the industry compatible key map, and we just won't even talk about what we're looking at there. And I don't even want to save these paths. We want to turn that off definitely and close that. And so now we have to hold Alt in order to move the view around, but we can still jump into BoxCutter by clicking the icon. And I don't believe there's anything under behaviors that we need to turn on for this. However, if we were to draw a box and then press tab, we can hold Alt and rotate our view, which doesn't appear to be working. So let's double check this. We want to preserve our right mouse button, maybe even preserve Alt at the same time. And let's try that again. So we're looking around. These configurations get kind of weird to test, and the only way that users of the industry key map can convey that they're having issues is by yelling at us. So sometimes it can be hard to figure out exactly what we should do with things. But here we are rotating the view around in the industry standard key map, and we're able to, of course, drag our points in and turn this into a bevel, press Q. If we want, maybe press B to bevel, press Q to turn it into a contour bevel. And we can still drag our dots, rotate our view around and position things, and it's really not that bad at all. In fact, we can tab into edit mode. Tab doesn't go into edit mode. And when it comes to all of our options being in the spacebar menu, I can't quite explain that one. I'm hoping that that'll get addressed in the future, but it appears that every single option we'll ever make will just show up in the spacebar now, which is maybe just a strange idea, because options that we can't even disable are showing up there. But continuing on with this, let's jump over to edit mode, which is 1. Let's try that, 1. And we'll jump into BoxCutter, which has no hotkey because of this key map. And we're just rotating the view around. We'll use Alt to snap, and we'll just draw a box, press Control X, and we'll create a line cut here using knife. And we'll press 3 to switch to face, maybe press E to rotate. Okay. Should I even play in this configuration any longer? I just wanted to demonstrate that we do have support for this. And in fact, even if you're using BoxCutter in edit mode, like you're seeing here, you can still pause your shape, rotate your view around, go in and out, and that's really all there is to it. So with that, we can jump out of this industry standard key map, move on to the next topic.